Dreaming of living, working, and settling in Canada? This could be your moment. Canada offers world-class healthcare, top-quality education, high living standards, and endless career opportunities for skilled professionals. Whether it's express entry, provincial nominee programs, or work permit to PR, Canada continues to welcome skilled people from across the world. With rising PR targets and new pathways, this is the best time to start your Canada journey. But the process can feel complicated. Documents, points calculation, program selection, deadlines, and visa rules keep changing. That's where Apex Visas makes the difference. Apex Visas guides you through every step of the PR journey. Checking your eligibility, improving your CRS score, choosing the right program, assisting with IELTS preparation, document review and filing, profile creation and monitoring, regular updates from your dedicated case officer. You get complete support from a team that stays with you until your visa decision. No shortcuts, no confusion, just real guidance. So if you're ready to take the next step towards your Canadian future, let Apex Visas make it simple and stress-free. Book your free consultation today. Your Canada PR dream starts here.